Kindly share your screen. Yung task manager, paki-share yung screen, please. Okay. Punta ka sa services, please. Services tab. There. Press letter O. So, yung Oracle XECLR agent, punta ka dito. Yan. Nakita mo, di ba nakastop? Kailangan running yan. Ibig sabihin, nakastop, hindi yan gagana. Right click and then start. Should be running. Yan, very good. Now, you can close your task manager. Now, what I want you to do is share your get started, yung Oracle home environment. Kindly share, please. This one. Application Express. Prelim MP1. Burahin mo yan. Prelim _ MP1. Copy-paste mo na lang para sa 4. Kung ano yung username natin, yun na rin yung password natin para hindi natin makalimutan. Okay, go on. And then create workspace. So now we successfully created the workspace Prelim MP1. So now to begin, you are to click here. Click here. Yan, yung click here. Ayan. So you are now going inside the Oracle Application Express. You have the workspace name, the username, and then paste the password, please. Remember, the password is the same with your workspace or username. And then click login. Yeah. Okay, so now we are inside the Oracle environment or the Oracle Application Express. Okay, so we are going in the SQL workshop. Kindly click SQL workshop. Okay, from there, you go to the object browser. Ayan. So these are the existing tables at the left side. So kindly click EMP. Okay, so now we have here the column names, the data types, okay, of the columns. So ibig sabihin, ilang column to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have 8 columns. For example, emp no means employee number. The data type of it is number. So naka-identify dito na si employee number ang primary key niya. Okay? Kaya naka 1. 1 means true. Diba? Boolean. 0 is false, 1 is true. E-name stands for employee name. Okay? So, varchar, meaning to say 10. Kapag sinabi mong 10, ibig sabihin, acceptable number of characters is 10. Okay? Nullable, yes. So, ibig sabihin, si employee number kasi, primary key siya, hindi siya pwede maging null. Si employee name, pwede siya maging null, kaya siya naka-yes. So, job, varchar, until 9 characters. MGR, number, so 4. Hire date, so this is a date format. So, again, these are data types, okay? And then there's size. Tapos, sal, it means salary, number, up to 7 digits. Kung mapapansin nyo, may comma and then 2. it means it accepts 2 decimal places. Okay, then yes. Com is for commission, number, okay, up to 7 digits, and then 2 decimal places. This is the department number, okay? And then number din ang format niya or data type, the size is 2 without decimal places, okay? Because this is 0. So, guys, on this one, you can download it. Kindly click download. Yan. So, whatever you do na database sa loob ng Oracle, pwede mo siyang i-download. Pwede siya maging Excel file, okay? You can open it in Excel. So, hindi ka talaga mahihirapan. You try to open the file, please. So, guys, ito yung database na dinownload natin kanina. So, these are the columns, okay? The number, the varchar, and so on. So, again, as I have mentioned, you can download that. Hindi siya nakalimit sa Oracle lang. So, you can export the file. Okay, now, I want you to share again the Oracle. You go back to that. While you click the data, sa taas, data. Diyan ipapakita yung laman ng database. Kanina, columns lang. So, ano laman na data? Ito na yung laman na data ng ng database natin. So, sabi dito, we have 14 rows. Okay? So, you can edit that. Kapag click mo yung edit button dito, indexes. So, yan, pwede mo siyang i-edit dyan directly. Okay? Ayan, pwede mo siyang baguhin dyan. Okay? Cancel. So, indexes. Isa-isahin lang natin yung tabs. Yan. O, ayan. So, may index number, may naka-index tayo. So, ibig sabihin, may naka-connect dyan. Model. So, ayan ang connection. Yan yung tinatawag na ER model. Entity Relationship Model. Yan yung sinasabi ko kanina nung lesson 1. So, if you are to create an ER model, ito yon. So, based on the table nung kanina, this is the table's ER model. Next, constraints. Ayan. So, sinasabi dito sa constraint na yung employee number natin cannot accept not null value. Okay? Tapos, may nakadefine tayo na primary at saka foreign key. Okay? Next, grants. Diba naalala nyo, meron tayong grant at saka revoke. Click. O yan. So, yan yung grant and revoke. So, ito yung magbibigay ka ng access kung kanino mang user, revoke kung tatanggalin mo yung access ng certain user. Okay? Statistics. Okay, walang nakalagay. UI defaults. Ibig sabihin na UI defaults, user interface. Okay? So, wala naman. Kaya, let's leave it. Later, siguro sa, database 2, pwedeng nang i-link. Triggers. So, wala ding triggers. Dependencies. Ayan. So, kunwari, ang dependency niya, si Prelim MP1, ayan, pwede siyang mag-connect kay EMP na table or department na table. So, yung dalawang table na yan, pwede daw nating gamitin. Okay, SQL. Okay, so this is the syntax on how to create the table. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, auto-generate na yung syntax ni SQL kapag ginamit mo si Oracle environment. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan talaga. But the thing is, you have to learn. You have to learn on how to write these statements or SQL statement. Hindi porket auto-generate na siya, aasa ka na lang sa UI. Kasi kapag nag-program ka, we are putting SQL syntax inside the program, then how are you going to type that if umaasa ka lang sa application builder na katulad nito? So we have to learn from the scratch. So now, we can move on to the SQL workshop. Again, please click that one. Okay. And then you select the SQL command. Magsimula na tayo ng SQL statement natin. Okay, so this is the workspace wherein we are going to type our syntax. And then the results will be displayed dito sa lower part. So let's start. Select, kindly type, space, asterisk, space, from, space, EMP. EMP. Employee. Yan, semicolon. And then click run. Okay. So guys, let me discuss to you the SQL statement. Select is the syntax from the DML. Okay? Ito yung DML command natin. So select is used to view or extract the data, to display the data. Okay? Asterisk, ang ibig sabihin ng asterisk class, it means all. Ibig sabihin nun, i-display mo lahat ng fields or lahat ng column. Okay, yun ang ibig sabihin ng asterisk. And then yung from, calling the source of the table. Okay? And then of course, calling the source. And then what is the name of your table? So, ibig sabihin class, EMT is the name of the table. And then the semicolon here is you terminate the syntax. Okay? You always terminate the syntax. Ang pagtatype natin is line by line ha. Hindi natin pwedeng punuin to. Hindi rin tayo pwedeng mag-second line. So we always start from the top. So kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung laman ng EMP table ay dinisplay dito sa baba. What if, ang gusto ko lang na i-display mo ay yung employee name at saka yung job. So sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung parts ng syntax natin, di ba? Yung asterisk, ibig sabihin nun, you are to display all of the columns. Kung ito yung part na nagpapadisplay ng all columns, burahin mo tong asterisk. Kasi nga, gusto ko i-limit eh. Sige, pakibura. And then ngayon, para mag-display yung column, you have to call the column name. What is the column name? Yes, that is e-name. And then, dalawa yung column. It is separated by comma. And then you put job. Space. And then run. Ayan. So, that's how you filter the display of the table. So, kunwari, gusto ko magkabaligtad. O, paano pag-display na magkabaligtad? Una muna si job at saka si e-name. Okay, very good. So, can you go back to the whole table? Show me the whole table again. Okay, now, so at least now we know how to filter or how to display our table, how to filter the columns that we want to display. Now, let's try to add more condition. Pagkatas ng emp, okay, bago mag-semicolon, you put where. Okay, where space Let's say, ang gusto ko i-display where yung employee name niya is equals to Clark. Okay, so where, call the column name, which is e-name, equals Clark. Do not forget that Clark is a string. Kapag string, you have to put a single quotation. Both sides, start and end. Semicolon, and then run. Okay, no data found kasi case sensitive. Kasi yung Clark na nakatype doon sa string ay capital letter lahat. Lahat, capital letter. Okay, go on. Okay, so that's how you are going to filter yung pag-display ng data. You are to put the where clause. Okay, that we call the where as a clause. Okay, and then after ng where, that's the only time that you can put the condition. Okay, where e-name is equals to Clark. Okay, can we go back to the whole table? So, meron tayong different logical, we have different operations that we can use in the SQL, ha? Hindi lang equals. We have the equal sign, we have the greater than, we have the less than, we have the greater than or equal to, we have the less than or equal to, okay, and we have the not equal to, or sometimes the symbol. Okay, so those are the symbols that we can use inside of inside this okay, inside this SQL. So, kunwari, ang gusto kong i-display mo lang is yung yung department number niya is equals to 10. So, dapat ilang rows lang yan. Sige nga, condition mo. Yung department number niya equals to 10. Sige nga. Display all the columns pa rin. What are you going to do? It's the same syntax. Oh, anong gagawin mo na? Mard, where can, ang i-display lang yung department number is equals to 10. Proceed. Na malabo ang mata. Hindi ko na makita. Ang department number ay number. Hindi siya string. Kapag number, walang quotation. Tandaan niyo yan. We only put single quotation for the string. Okay? Pero kapag number siya eh. So, wala siyang single quotation. Okay, run. Okay, very good. So, that's how you display. Okay, that's how you filter. Oh, balik mo uli dun sa Pakita mo uli sa kanyang buong table. Okay, go on. Ngayon, ang gusto ko naman, i-display mo lahat ng data except doon sa record ng mga salesman. Sige, paano mo gagawin yun? Except sa record ng salesman. So, ibig sabihin si president, si manager, si analyst, si clerk magpapakita. Hindi. Operators lang ang gagamitin mo. Kung ano yung tinuro ko sa chat box. Tingnan mo yung nasa chat box. Yung salesman lang. Yung job na salesman. Sige, kaya mo yan. Where? From M, where? Okay. Where job? Sige, ano? No. No. Not equal to dapat. Not equal ang symbol. Exclamation, equal sign. Okay? Lagay mo yung salesman. Do not forget the single quotation. And then it is our uppercase. Capital. Okay? Tanggalin mo yung space nung sa semi. Okay, then run. Okay, so now if you will notice, lahat ipinakita except doon sa ang position ay salesman. Okay, so again, you try to learn to use the different operators in the SQL statement. Okay? So, so thank you so much for attending this class. Okay, see you again next week, same day, same time. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Thanks, guys.